My project is about pad absorbency levels, and the question is, which pad brand is best to prevent leakage and maintain liquid? Chemistry, and this is an experimental investigation. Table of contents. Page 1 is questions and purpose and problem. Page 2 is my hypothesis and background information. Page 3, my materials needed. Page 4, procedure and process. And page 5, data and results. And page 6, conclusion. And page 7, my acknowledgements. My research question was to find our purpose was to find the best brand of pads that was able to prevent leakage and maintain liquid comfort, and it was also not as costly and didn't cost so much money. We wanted to find out which pad has the best absorbency levels because we chose this topic because it's important to us that women and girls have the best comfortability on their time of the month. Our background information is that a pad on regular flow has to be changed every 1 to 2 hours, and on a heavier flow, maybe every 2 to 3 hours, I'm pretty sure. And then materials needed, we used 3 different brands of pads: paper towels, a measuring cup, a spoon for stirring, cocoa powder for color, a journal to keep our data, and a medicine cup for milliliters. We put 3 different pad brands, one of our own, and then the school brand, and then we put in the liquid of each one. We put in 30 milliliters for our first trial and then 40 milliliters for our second trial. And we did 2 trials to test out the different flow levels. And then at the end, we determined that the best pad brand was U by Kotex because it had a dry feeling and none of the liquid had fallen out. And even in trial 2, even when we lifted it up, even no liquid still fell out. So my conclusion was that the best brand was U by Kotex and the other ones were not as good. And then acknowledgements. All my teachers, Ms. Kins, Mr. Joseph, Ms. Neidig, Ms. Bree, and Mr. Carlson, parents, friends, nurse, and school counselor.
Thank you. And your name is?
Melanie Patini.